And Carl with it. Now to Gudas. Back to Carl. He'll wind, he'll shoot, they score! It's tipped in by Killorn. Out in front of the power play. The Lightning connect and tie this game up at 1.
This comes at a great time. Again, in front of the net. That's what we were talking about. Bobrovsky wasn't sure where the puck was. Killorn was screening him, but he very adeptly had that stick out there to deflect it home.
Turns that net, pursued by Anisimov. St. Louis gets the line, the play to Johnson, looks to make a play, the shot, they score! Victor Hedman joins the attack, and the Lightning have taken a 2-1 lead.
Boy, that first pass. We just talked about that throughout the pregame as well as the open in the early part of it. The first pass is so important, and Hedman did that there. That's such a key. Then you see him still following it up. That is really a pretty play. That's exactly what their coach was talking about.